Can you talk about animals?
Yes, teacher.
Dhanush start.
This is a goat. It has a small tail. It eats grass. It gives milk. It says ba ba. It bleeds. I like
It.
it. It like
Lives.
it lives in the pen.
Very good.
This is a cow. It is big. It is give milk.
It gives.
It gives milk. It eats grass.
Grass.
Grass. Yet
Says.
it says moo moo. It like
Lives.
it lives in shed.
Very good.
This is yes well. It is root. It is very big. It is leaves.
It lives.
It lives in the
Seed.
seed.
Very good.
This is a fish. It is a red.
Very good.
Cat.
Swim.
Swim. It lives in the sea.
Very good.
This is a hen. It is small.
It eats
It
grains.
rains.
It lays.
Lays eggs.
Very good.
It
Lives.
lives in a coop.
Very good.